Hi guys, welcome to another video about ArcoLinux tweak tool. It is indeed an amazing tool. You can install desktops with it, like a click and it's done. But let's first have a look. What do we have here? I have already changed quite a bit, and this is an example of how we use the personal folder. So this system has already new icons, as you can see, but also a personal folder. And when I type the word personal, it's actually gonna change because these are the mint icons. Personal, sudo reboot. Well, let's stop there. Let's do an update as well, and then sudo reboot. And then we can have another look. I see the Xorg server is coming in. Bad idea. VirtualBox at this point in time, and Xorg server and XFCE do not like and love each other. So downgraded this again. That you should not do, my friend. Xorg, just the one. The common is just check out what's in there. That's not important. It's a 22. That needs to be downgraded. Yes, voila, downgraded again to number 11. Now I've done my updates. I've done my upall, maybe if you have things that are not coming from ArcoLinux or ArcoLinux, but from AOR, that's that. And now we can sudo reboot, and you'll see the alias personal that I've used is gonna, change the look of my website. Well, my desktop. And then what? And then we're gonna add Bspwm to your system. Okay, Bspwm to my system. What do I have already? I have XD. Just XFC on this machine. Okay. Now, the personal alias, nothing changed, maybe you think, but it did. You see here that we have total different icons there. And dark look, not the grayish look. And that's the power, right? Use the personal folder to quickly put everything back the way you want it. Play around with the settings, but the ones you like and love, put them in personal. But it's also created for, there you go, the building of your ISO. ArcoLinuxB.com. Build your own ISO, put your configs in there, type personal, boom. It's all set the way you want. Desktop, Bspwm, without further ado, click, very difficult, retrieving packages. If things do not work, if it doesn't say has been installed, then you launch it from the same tool. You launch it from the terminal, Ctrl-T, ArcoLinux tweak tool, and you read what pacman throws at you, because basically it's a graphical user interface saying click, run, and install sudo pacman -s. Awesome. Install cinnamon, install this and that. So it's just a sudo pacman -s behind it. Let's log out and go back into Bspwm. But here as well, I believe we have an issue, if I am not mistaken. No, this time no issue here. So Xorg server has been downgraded. Everything good. There you are. How do I click all these things? You need to know the keyboard shortcuts. And they are, well, a few of them here. And if you want to know more about this particular desktop, Ctrl-T. So Bspwm, Ctrl-Alt-F is Firefox installed. Nothing's happening. Ctrl-Alt-V, Vivaldi installed. Nothing is happening. So maybe we should install it. -s. Let's go for Firefox. Firefox is now installed. Suddenly Ctrl-Alt-F, F comes to life. And I wanted to go to this website, ArcoLinuxD.com. In the D, you decide the desktop, right? Where did I put that? In the D, you're going to decide what desktop to take, and all the information is here. XFCE, all the desktops, and here are desktops entitled winner managed among each other. So here we have it. All the Bspwm, all the knowledge is there. No need to ask on Discord? Well, you can, of course, first read here, see that the information is available here, and don't forget our forum. There's also lots of info there. All right, you've got your Bspwm. If you want to uninstall, what do we say to you? Let's have a look. Phase 4. Start with XFC and add Bspwm. What does it say here? Removing the desktop can be achieved by removing the most important packages. It's not always possible, for example, with Plasma. Then you do a clean install. You can use the cheat sheet. So we have something like a PDF format where you know, okay, if I want to remove, awesome, I need to remove sudo pacman -r this and that, or rs this and that. And then you have back just your XFCE in this case. All right, have fun with the tweak tool.